In this video, I will be showing you how to create an Apple ID from the desktop or Android device. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So if you're new to the channel, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So let's dive right into it. So what you need to have is a browser. That could be anyone, but I will recommend you guys to use a Google Chrome and a desktop or an Android device. So what you have to do is to access the account.apple.com, and I'll provide the link in the description below so you guys can check it out. So here you guys can see that there is an option called create your Apple account. So simply go ahead and click on it and wait a few seconds till it pops up. So here what you have to do is to type in your name, your last name, your credentials, the country you live in, and then the date of birth, your email address, the password, and then your phone number. After that, you will get a verification text message, and then you can select between announcement, Apple Music, TV, and more, and then the QR code, captcha code. So after that, what you have to do is to simply continue, and you will be able to create an Apple ID using a desktop. So it is that simple and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.